Okay, here I am at Jackson Square. The snow, she is a-fallin'. Take a look at the square. You can tell a few people have been through here recently. It's a real fine snow. It's kind of pellety-like. If it's blowing in your face, it's kind of hard to see. This would be ideal for cross-country skis, though. It's perfect depth, perfect compaction. Wish I'd had them. Nice trekking poles. And the square, which is usually filled with musicians and artists and whatnot, there is a good depth. You can see the depth here of the snow. I mean, and it's not going to get any warmer today, so this is going to pile up. They thought 2 to 3 inches. I think it's almost already there. And let's take a look down Pirates Alley. Yeah, there's actually a couple people out. In my neighborhood, the only footprints went from my house down the road. Like nobody had been out yet. And there's Pirates Alley. A couple people hanging out. Now the square is actually closed. And then let's get Andrew Jackson over here. Oh, look at that. The icicles coming from the fountain. That's too cool. Andrew Jackson in the background. No, not a great angle, but there's Andrew. Okay, cool.
We stayed there 10 days, and